Yeah, so Richard's supposed to be working on his Mercury nose. So I showed up at the shop to film some of it. And the shop's here, but Richard isn't. I don't know where the hell he went. But here's the hood. And the rest of it looks a little dusty. So he took off the parking light. Awful lot of crap there. So that needs a good cleaning. So I don't know what we're doing on this nose, so I'm going to wait till Richard shows up. He can't be too far away. The car's still out here. The lights are all on. The radio was going. I had to turn it down. Can't film with music in the background, so. Richard, where are you?
I guess I could do something different. I'm not sure what.
Yeah, so we're working on putting a steering wheel in the Mercury.
Yeah, a new one. Somebody got Pop Rivet happy.
Yeah.
This was all the hardware that was on there.
Yeah.
Along with that thing there. That was what's left of the steering wheel. They had all this up on top of it.
Hey.
And then they had this on there, which was crooked in the first place.
Yeah.
It won't fit on there that way though. I mean, I like the wood grain wheel. I told Isaiah loved it. I was like, you know what? So I'll give it to you. You can hang it on your wall.
Yeah. Put it in his Torino.
Yeah, put it in the Torino. Oh, and he's going to be the F-250 that Kyle used to own.
Yeah.
He's going to give the girl 500 for it.
Yeah.
Runs good. He's done all the drivetrain on it, so need to do the door bottoms and stuff on it. So.
So the frame's all clean and painted. And
another transmission in it. That one was slipping out. See if Dana's old transmission was working right. Yeah, I think I'm going to put some plugs on there.
Needs a good cleaning.
Because it's going to be more of a summertime car anyways.
Yeah.
At least it's how I'm going to build it. But I cleaned up the firewall. I masked everything off after I done painting the firewall, and as I was painting it, the tape fell off right here, and of course, nailed my firewall. So.
Yeah.
But it definitely looks a lot better. I left it like that in case somebody wanted to use the same original stuff later on down the road. It's available.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny, that first Mercury that I bought back in the 60s was all completely this color, red oxide primer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Had an Oldsmobile engine in it.
Oh wow. Okay.
$35 for the whole thing. Drove it home.
You drive it home or towed it home?
Drove it.
Drove it home, huh? Damn it. And it burned. Damn it.
No, it wasn't that one. This was way before, when I was living over at Doc Kilgore's farm.
Oh, okay. So did you get a chance to drive that one more then?
I just drove it from there to the house. It didn't have brakes, so it was kind of tricky. And then I had to go back to Massachusetts to finish school. I think it was before my final year. So when I went back to Massachusetts, some asshole, Aubrey Graves, I probably shouldn't mention his name on this, he went and stole a whole bunch of parts off my car. So.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You gotta hate it when that happens.
Yeah. So when I got back, it didn't run. Missing the carburetor and a whole bunch of other stuff off of it. Shock absorbers and...
Wow.
Yeah, he pretty well stripped it. So I don't remember what I did with it after that.
That's messed up. I know, I kind of wonder where this one came from originally, you know?
Yeah.
But I brought it to a few shows. Nobody said, hey, I remember that. So I don't know where it came from.
Well, Bob buys cars on the internet, so he might have bought it down in Massachusetts or in New York or someplace far away.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Yep. But they definitely took a lot of time in those fenders though.
Yeah.
Those back fenders. You get them as, I mean, they look smooth to me. They're not bubbling.
Yeah.
Well, the crease is there.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks okay. As long as it doesn't crack after you paint it. There's the grill and everything. Yeah, I did a lot of video on when we were taking the nose apart, but it didn't come out right, so
Yeah.
I hate to disappoint folks, but where's the nose? Out in the back room?
No, it's down here. Still over beside the bullfighter.
Oh.
Had to get it out of the way. It's got snow coming in. So I kind of knocked them over here. But I did get them all apart.
Oh yeah, it's all in pieces again.
Yeah.
It's
I was looking
there's
at the
the
bolts
hood.
that were in here.
Yeah.
I was because I was getting ready to unbolt it, and I said, "No, those have been there since '48. I'm cutting." So
Yeah.
nobody has really gotten in here in these creases or anything. So
Yeah.
that's my next move. Strip these out, make sure they're good and solid and cleaned up right. And then that's the bottom piece. So
Yeah.
that's the part I want to mold the bumper to the lower lip of it.
Yeah.
At least that's what I'm thinking. And then I can just mount the bumper in there with that all together at the same time. That's what I'm thinking. I could change my mind. That's all made out of aluminum.
Yeah, but see, this is hooked to the body, and the bumper's got to be hooked to the frame. And
Right.
if they twist different, and this is all bondoed together, it's gonna start to come apart.
Yeah. It's possible, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna hook them to, that's true, yeah, hook them to the frame. But that's what I was gonna do with the bumper. The bumper was gonna be part of the mounting system anyways.
Yeah.
Try and support the outer part of the fenders better anyways.
Yeah. Well. Oh, and this is
But I haven't gotten that far yet, so.
that's the nose piece.
Yep, I got that cleaned up. I'm gonna weld in there's a couple cut marks on this outer edge there. I'm
Yeah.
gonna weld that in, treat it. I'm thinking I might try and drill those out and
Yeah.
even heat them and grab onto a pair of vice grips if I can or something to get them out.
Yeah. If you can unscrew them, then you can put new bolts in.
Right.
But
Yeah.
you have to drill them.
I might have to retap them or put
Yeah.
a nut in the bolt, whatever. But yeah, I gotta weld that in, grind it down.
Yeah.
And the same thing on that side too. They screwed that up that way. But I got it all stripped out.
Yeah.
Managed to get that stuff done. It's gonna snow, so I had a chance to clean this in. Didn't miss the other. Now I've been staring at it all last week saying, I want to do more work to it.
Yeah.